What's up, Supreme Squad? It's your boy Vusi Max, live from Supreme HQ, back with another watch list for you guys on a Monday. It was supposed to come on a Sunday, but yeah, it's coming on a Monday and it's gonna be a little different. On today's watch list, I'm gonna give a bonus just because we're having classes this weekend. Durban, Cape Town, PTA, and PLK. That's where we're at this weekend. So can't wait to meet all the people who booked and secured the spots for those classes. So what's gonna happen with this video is that since this video is powered by Supreme, I'm gonna throw in a signal or two at the end of the video. So just stay tuned, get your watch list ready, and tag along and follow me. So the first chart we have is Euro CHF on the H4, right? And a quick disclaimer is I have the trend lines drawn on all these charts because some of you guys know this video was supposed to be up and running by 8 o'clock, but I had another video to upload on the other channel, which is gonna be linked down below. So that video was uploading and it took longer than I had expected, and I had to edit this one too. But let's just be glad it's here now. All right, let's get started. So we're having Euro CHF H4 time frame. Remember, H4 time frame. That's the money time frame right there. So what's happening is we're having a downtrend in the H4 time frame. And if you don't know how to draw trend lines, you should go check out my previous videos, and thanks for everybody that watched those ones too. Go check out my old videos for how to draw trend lines, or you can just hit me up on the comment section. I might just do a video on that specifically, but yeah, on this video I want to keep it concise and brief. I don't want to take too much time on it. So we have a downtrend, as you can see. We're at the first major reversal that happened there from the 20th of June until like the 12th of July. 20th of June to it was like, I don't know, 20 days or so. So the reversal for this one was like that. It was drawn like that. All right, and we saw a break of that trend, of that reversal line here, and then we retraced back above the reversal line, which eventually we moved in the trend direction. We made a new low, and then now what's happening now is we went up, price pushed up, and then we came back down, it exhausted, and then we made a higher low. But it's important to remember that we're still within the downtrend. So no, I don't want to put a horizontal line. We're not going to put this line. So what we're going to do, we're going to draw a reversal line like that. We're going to draw a reversal line like this. All right. But this is what I want you to do now. I'm going to take a horizontal line and put it at this level here, the recent low that price has made. So I want you to open a sell stop at this price. You're opening a sell stop at this price, and I want you to have the TP for that sell stop. I want you to put it there. So you're putting a sell stop. You're executing a sell stop at 1.10242, 1.10242, and the TP for that sell stop is 1.0988. Okay, so with that in mind, what you're gonna do now, and remember guys, what you're gonna do for this, you're gonna keep in mind and monitor this chart in its respective time frame, the movement that it's gonna do, so that when it does cross the reversal, you can enter into this market. But even if you're not there when the price crosses the reversal line, you're gonna have this sell stop I just gave to you as a safety measure to enter this pair. Okay, so once you're in, when it crosses the reversal line, you know to use the recent high as a stop loss. So should we trigger this sell stop order before the price pushes back up? Then it means you're gonna have to put a stop loss at the area of the recent high, which in this case is gonna be here. But remember guys, this is only a Supreme special because we're having classes this weekend. So I want to help out everybody because we've been seeing growth, man. The team is growing, so I might just help everybody else grow their accounts. So before we continue to the next chart, I want you to go smash that like button, comment, and subscribe if you haven't, and find this video helpful. You might just say it to other traders you know. Join the movement. All right, fam. So let's take it to the next chart. So the next chart that we have is the Australian dollar. So we have the Australian dollar here. And as you can see, we're having an uptrend, which the price crossed at this area I'm highlighting right now. And I'm sure you're asking yourself, like, why am I showing you this chart when the price has already done what it was supposed to, right? But here's the thing. We had a low there, a high, a higher low, a higher high there, right? And then now we just made a lower low. So now it's clear that we most likely moving into a downtrend. So since the price has moved from the recent high up until where we are now, and we crossed the trend line, as you can see, the next thing that has to happen is price has to make a lower high before we can confirm that we are having a downtrend. So before price makes a lower high, it means price has to go up first. So this is what I want you to do. This is the current movement of what price is doing, right? I'm just gonna adjust the line like that. This is how the price is moving now. I'm gonna use the white line just so it's not confusing to anybody. So you're gonna draw a line like this, and then we're gonna wait for price to cross this line here like that. And when the price does cross this line, I want you to enter this market, and most likely we are going to retest this area there before going back down again, continuing the downtrend. So for this one, we are going to put a buy stop limit, not a buy stop limit, a buy stop order at this area, here, which is 0.69214. You're putting a buy stop there, and the TP for that buy stop is going to be here at 6 0.697001. No, 0.697001. That's where I want you to put the take profit for that buy stop that you're gonna put for this trade. But this is gonna help you if you won't be like there to monitor how the price is performing, so you can enter the trade manually once it crosses this line that we have here. So use this buy stop order as a safety measure, so that you still get an opportunity to bank money on this trade. So when it does cross, I want you to open the trade regardless of having that buy stop order there. Open the trade still, and then we'll you'll take what's yours basically. And I'm gonna trade this one with the team. I'm gonna tell them how to do this one. So it's not too late for anyone to join. If you want to be part of the money team, all you have to do is send a DM at my Instagram, which will be linked below at Fusemax _. All right. The next pair that we have is the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. So with this one here, this one is a pretty nice chart. This is a very simple chart. So with this one, we have a downtrend, which is here. This is what's going on with the trend for this one, guys. We have a trend, a very steep trend. This is the trend which is moving instead of the trend taking up most of the screen or whatever. This trend has been moving ever since this pair has been making lower lows. So we saw the first reversal there, which the price made a lower low, and then now what's going on is a similar thing is happening to the same thing is happening basically from what had happened last week between Thursday and Friday, meaning we're having another reversal there. So you would have to enter this market when the price crosses the reversal line. But what I want you to do is to open a sell stop order at 74.896. That's why I want you to open an order. And the SL for this one we have a SL. We don't have a TP. The SL for this one, I want you to use 75.186. All right. So I'm expecting this one I'm expecting to see like a selling pressure as soon as the price crosses the reversal line. But like I said, if you're not there to monitor the chart, or if you're not there when that happens, then use this sell stop as an opportunity to bank on this one too. All right. Anyways, go to the comment section and tell me what you have planned on your watch list and what you are looking forward to and potentially, excited to trade. All right, let's take it to the next one now. So what I have now is USD CAD, and this is an interesting one for me too. All right, I didn't analyze this before. I just did the analysis on PC, so I'm gonna go through with it for you guys watch. So this is what's going on from. We have an uptrend. So the first reversal that we had was there, like that, which it's been moving like the reversal wasn't very long. So when buying pressure came, it really continued with the trend and even passed that recent high in a relatively short span of time. All right. So with this type of trends, you'll come to realize that once it crosses the reversal line, currency pairs like this tend to, not currency pairs, but price action like this tends to go way beyond the recent high because the reversal was so short, right? So here, what I want you to do is, I think this will most likely be a short-term trade too. Here, I want you to pay attention and wait for the price to cross the reversal line and on that candle close. Because remember, guys, you only enter markets on the candle close. You don't enter while a candlestick is still operating, right? Like if you see, look at it. Look, for example, if you look at this green candlestick which I have here, which I'm hovering around here, you'll realize that if when this candlestick was still up there, it was looking like a strong buy, and then for those who bought, there was a bull trap, and they resulted in losses within the same candlestick, right? So always wait for a candlestick, and yeah, always wait for a candlestick, man. Is basically what I'm saying. So like with this one, basically, I want you to just like keep it in mind and look at it, monitor it in the H4 time candlestick close times. And what I mean by that, you know that the 4-hour candlesticks only operate at a new one only forms at 7, 11, and 3. So on those respective times, I want you to look at this pair, and if the candlestick has crossed the reversal line, I want you to buy into that. Use recent high or recent low as a targets and risk management also. So I have an interesting pair too on today's watch list slash analysis video, which I was saving for last. So I want you to check out the NZD USD. So this has been a nice uptrend. As you can see, we're having a low high, a high low, and a high high, and now we're having a low too, right? So with this one, I want you to draw a reversal line. I want you to draw a reversal line like that. And it's about to cross the reversal line. So I want you to draw a reversal line like this. And basically what you're gonna do is, when the candlesticks are about to cross the reversal line, so just get ready to buy on this pair, right? Put a buy stop order at 0.66500, which is there, right? And the TP for that buy stop, I want you to have it at 0.67228. right? So that's quite a number of pips right there. And if you are gonna keep an eye on this trade, I want you to buy after the first candlestick that closes outside, I mean on the other side of this reversal line, which is on the right side. So that's when you can buy into this trade currency pair. And as you can see, this one is gonna be like one of the pairs I'm gonna prioritize on, because there's a lot to be gained here. And at the same time, should we fail to get to this level 0.66503, and if the price breaks down again, we can also sell into pressure as well, because regardless of what happens with this pair, we have to like take advantage of what the price is actually showing you at this very moment. So that's all I have for today's video, guys. There's more coming. Tell me if I should make a video on how to draw your trend lines and stuff if you still behind on that, and I will do so. Otherwise, it's been a hectic time. I've had to upload a video on the other channel, which I'm gonna link down below too. So if you got time, go check that out too. I'll appreciate the support. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content coming up. I'll see you on the next one.